Boeing 747. A very large lad.
Like, this is the exit. We go in at the cabin.
There's the CF6s at the, I think.
And here's me.
I think those are CF6s. The 747 is a lot smaller in person, you know. There's a plane over there taking off. It should say somewhere on there what it is. Yeah. Massive CF6s. The experience is looking at this giant 747. You can see the compressor fans in there. We're gonna go up the stairs. And you can see some FedEx 767s over there. You can see the distinctive nose of the 747 and the hump. Now, the reason why the 747 had a hump is because originally it was supposed to be a military cargo aircraft. Hello.
Please security scan, empty your pockets on both keys and wallet. When you're ready, come up to me and hold your arms out like an airplane.
Alright, we are currently in the first class section of the 747. You can see it has a 2 to 4 to 3 configuration. You can see right here.
Look at this.
Has
A nice table.
longest flight you have ever taken. Well, seeing as I've only flown on a Cessna 172, I'd say it's about 15 minutes probably. So you have that, and then you have the TV.
And then the seatbelt too. Don't forget
Is that a-
seatbelt.
I for a second I thought that was a USB charger. It's like they didn't have those back in 2006.
Come over here.
Oh, that's the first class section.
Yeah. Here is the galley section. And a door. See out the window. Back over FedEx area. This is the super funky looking first class. This is where the point of the nose is. Have these beautiful first class lounge. Very snazzy. That's what you think.
I've never even seen first class before.
Look.
This is like super duper first class.
Isn't there like a door you can shut it?
Oh, it's called Delta-1. Prior to retirement, ship 630. Prior to
Isn't there a door you can like shut it?
not on this one.
Privacy? Oh, I've seen.
Those are on the A380s, not the 747s. 747 is significantly older. I'm gonna head to the back of the 747. All right. See the overhead storage bins. And we make our way back here. You can see they basically hollowed out the inside of it. And you can see the bottom right here.
The cargo the 747s carry must be unloaded by our hardworking agents. International cargo can include luxury goods, precious metals,
See
perishables, and pharmaceuticals.
history.
These shipments can add 15,000.
My baby, the 727.
The 747-400 takes approximately
And
2
the
hours
neat part about this 747 is, if you look right here,
90 minutes
yeah,
before departure, our expert
N661US
inspect the 747
had a rudder hardover back in 2002 while flying over the Bering Sea.
The
I think that's just ripped straight out of the Wikipedia article.
Our 2 captains and 2 first officers
Yeah.
had a pre-flight meeting to discuss
See
all aspects of the
different
flight,
uses for the
including
747.
areas of possible turbulence, volcanic activity.
And the 747 was originally supposed to be used as a military cargo transport, but it lost out to the C5A the C5A Galaxy.
747
And Boeing decided they don't really want to scrap this concept, so they just decided to make it into a passenger plane. And thus, the Queen of the Skies was born.
and many culturally relevant details. Our pilots invited to confer on
See the back bulkhead of the aircraft, the pressure dome. And y'all might recognize this as the part that failed on Japan Airlines Flight 123. Basically, it had a tail strike back a couple years before the incident, and while it was flying, it cracked and failed, causing the tail to pretty much completely come off, and caused it to go into a fugoid cycle and eventually crash. See the top of the aircraft. This is what was originally the can't remember what it's called. The poor people area is what I'm calling it. Hold up, we still gotta go to the top deck. It's right there.
Oh, let's go in there. Go tell them they missed the whole top. Dang, come on.
Now, I believe
Colin,
the.
you want to see where I sat when I went to Japan?
Alright.
I'll show you where.
I remember this auxiliary gallery. We had our
I sat on the center. This was my chair.
For 17
I had a
hours.
pretty good seat.
For 17 hours. Yeah.
Now we go up to the rich people area.
Colin, did you go to first class?
Yeah. Now we're heading up to rich people land, aka the upper deck. We are in the hump of the 747. You see there is the poor people land out there. Can't remember what it's called.
Is this second class?
No, this is first class. This is where the rich people are.
Take it.
What is this? First class? First class?
Taken.
This is first class.
Colin, look, someone stole the remote.
Someone done stole the remote. Oh wait, I think they just took it out. But this is fancy people land, and the window is blocked off. There we go. Up here, you can actually see outside. And once again, you can see the cargo area for FedEx.
Colin, come here. I found someone.
Here they go, guys.
I found someone new.
See out there is the Boeing 757 in retro livery, actually. Oh, there's some planes taking off.
Colin, there's a person in there.
You can see plane taking off over there. Here's a crusty window.
I think I need to change my mind. If y'all all save up your money, I might be able to. You can sit
Oh,
there.
that's. Oh, I don't have any more money.
Now,
Colin. Hold on, buddy. Let them out of there.
That's pretty tight in there.
Pretty
I think
tight.
we're all coming out though.
now we go to pilot land. This is where the pilots used to rest and where they used to poop. And this is the cockpit. You can see the windows,
Here, let's jump over this and take off.
see the yoke, all the controls.
Oh, look, come right here.
You can see 757 out this window.
Check this out.
Turns and they take naps in the international.
And come here,
There's
Mom, look.
the
Check this out.
navigational
Mom, check this out. There's
pilot
two
area,
seats
I think.
right here and 2 seats up there.
That's because you have more than one pilot in international flights. Give it to pilot, a co-pilot,
Very
and
tall.
then one more.
Another set.
The navigational officer, I believe.
I know, but I think you have 4, and then
Yeah,
they
you have
switch
2
out.
sets of pilots.
Maybe.
'Cause they can only fly so long.
So many hours in the
Look, can I
air.
Excuse me.
I don't see where you're going.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
You work here?
I do.
Nice. Did you know this plane had a rudder hardover back in 2002?
I do not know. I never flew the 747. I fly the Air Force.
Northwest Flight 85?
I've heard of it, but I don't know if
Yeah,
it's
that was
one.
this plane.
Interesting.
This was also the very first 747-400 ever built.
Wow. Big stuff.
Headmeister jump scare. So yeah, that was the Boeing 747-400 N661US. Former Delta and Northwest Airlines jumbo jet.